You said you'll answer questions. Some people. No, listen to me. These are genuine fears. If you're answering the fears.
I'm talking for perspective. In Italy, Germany, and other countries. After 15 months of hard work, India's first integrated solid waste treatment plant, fully compliant with SWM 2016 rules, was finally ready for operations.
Okay.
By panchayats in trucks and is weighed before being unloaded on the tipping floor. The front loader then takes this waste to the chain conveyor, which carries it into a bag opener. The bags are automatically opened and the contents are carried by conveyor to the mechanical roller screen, where large-sized recyclables are screened and transferred on the sorting line, and the waste is sorted into multiple recyclable fractions. This before being sent to recyclers. The underfraction can.
So the villages of Loutulim had come today. What was their grievances?
Today, Loutulim people, Loutulim and surrounding village people had come, and they had made a petition to the minister. They met the minister and about our proposed Verna solid waste management plant, integrated plant. So minister told me to give them a presentation and also to ensure that they have a look at the Saligam plants, which I have done today. They have explained to me what they are saying in this respect, and I have explained from the perspective of the plant, how the plant will come up, what are the issues, that there are no environmental issues, all the environmental issues we have taken care of, and to see the present plant at Saligam, how it is functioning. So I have tried to dispel their fears and explain to them the reason. They have tried to tell me, but they have also included many other issues like TCP issues of other expansion of other housing complexes coming up in the surrounding areas and all that. So those issues are not directly related to me as such. But then the petition, whatever they have put up, I'll examine it, scrutinize it, and put up my reply to the government for that.
Yeah, one of the members even said that all the panchayat sarpanchis have given a letter like they don't want a plant in their constituency. What do you have to say about it?
No, plant is going on. The work is going on. We are in the process. This also is monitored by the High Court, also monitored by the National Green Tribunal also. So we are in the process of setting up of the plant.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Madam, your name?
I'm Zarina the Queen.
You're from? Nuvem.
Yeah.
Okay, you all had come to meet Levinson Martin.
Yes.
What was the outcome of it?
We had, he gave us a presentation only regarding the plant and how it will function. But our concerns are far-reaching and detrimental. And we need to put proper perspective on board first.
Okay.
So it's not only with one person. We have to consider all the aspects of planning and for whom it is being planned. That is a moot question. So once that is done, it will be more clear whether we require to have this kind of plants coming or no.
Okay, but after having the meeting, are the people happy? For any conclusion has been given?
No, we will revert back to the minister because he sent us to have a interaction with him and he will appraise us.
Okay.
So we will take the necessary steps to keep the minister also appraised of how this thing is not meeting within our perspective and the reality of the situation.
Okay. How is the presentation which was given?
Presentation is always a decorated piece where the project proponent will always show all the pros.
Okay.
It is for the vigilant and alert and bothered citizenry to dig out all the facts and put it on the table, because this is how governments have been functioning. Okay. In the name of people, it is the people only who are taken for a ride and destroyed.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
My name is John Philip Pereira.
You are presenting from?
Nagwa.
Nagwa.
Salsit.
Okay. Yes. So what was the meeting about?
Yesterday we had approached the Waste Management Minister, Mr. Munsarar,
Okay.
to address our concerns regarding the garbage treatment plant that is coming in the Verna Industrial Estate.
Okay.
And we have got certain apprehensions which we wanted to put forth with the authorities.
Okay.
So the minister accepted the fact that he was not a technical person and asked us to see Mr. Levinson Martins, who is the MD of the garbage department.
Okay.
So we had an interaction with him today, but unfortunately he could not clarify the issues that we had put before him, especially our concern for depletion and damage to groundwater and a deep aquifer which is present, especially in the Verna industrial estate, where there are 174 bore wells, 32 springs, and 28 village wells which are supplying water to the Verna industrial estate.
Okay. But what did you all come to any conclusion, or are you all going to proceed?
No, we have told him, given him the facts, and said we do not want the garbage treatment plant of 250 tons to come in the Verna industrial estate. They can decide some other location, but not in the Verna industrial estate, because we are already overburdened with more than 400 industries. IDC has taken all our village lands for the purpose of industries, and now they are trying to bring from the back door the garbage treatment.
So concluding, like, all the villages or sarpanches are opposing for this?
Yes, we have given them the resolutions also taken at the Gram Sabha level in each village in the periphery of the Verna industrial estate.
For objecting the thing?
Objecting.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
I am Arvind Menezes from Loutulim.
Loutulim. Okay. You all have come to meet the pollution board control people or the waste management plant?
Yeah, see, we went to the concerned minister.
Okay.
And we put in our representation against the waste management plant that is coming up in Loutulim. He requested that we should come and see the plant in Saligaon and also meet up with Mr. Levinson, who would be able to explain to us.
Okay.
But we can say one thing for sure. We do not want that plant to come for various reasons, starting with they have been unable to manage Sonsado and other garbage dumps that are there, and as such now they want to dump the garbage of entire Salset and Marmagoa onto us. There is a judgment and there is a order that is passed that every individual TCP, Panchayat is supposed to handle their own garbage. This is not being followed. Rather, they are putting a consolidated plan to handle the whole area. My concern is that the department that is there, the waste management department, it is their duty and responsibility to visit individual panchayats and municipalities or corporations, teach them and guide them how to manage their garbage. If this is done, we do not require huge plants to be set up. Okay. Yes, for bio waste and for e-waste and for medical waste, yes, for that, yes, we require it to be done. But as far as the normal waste, regular waste that comes in, we do not require a centralized plant. Now, I also say that we have been told that the increase of garbage generation is about 1% every year. For me, this 1% will not be even 0.1% if permissions for structures and mega projects like we have on the Sankwal Plateau are not given. 5,000 apartments given over there. Has the government even thought of what to do with the garbage generated there? Has the government even thought of whether we've got enough of water and electricity to supply to them? No. So for me, it is just a mismanagement of the departments. Departments not coordinating and working together in unison to improve things. This is just something that is being dumped onto us. And unfortunately, I should say rather a while ago when the previous government was there, we had met the CM, who is the CM currently. It's not coordinating and working together in unison to improve things. This is just something that is being dumped onto us. And unfortunately, I should say rather a while ago when the previous government was there, we had met the CM, who is the CM currently again, and the waste management minister, who had told us categorically that this project is on hold, and if the people and the panchayats around the plant are not interested in it, then we will not have it, because all the panchayats surrounding this area have taken resolutions that they do not want the plant to come up there. Now, this is just overriding the people. Is the government there to support and be with the people and do something that the people require and want, or they just want to bombard us with things that they want as per their whims and fancies? This is really getting ridiculous. We are right now at the Saligaon plant. We can see this, we can feel the smell of garbage that is there over here. Along the road while driving here, there's leachate all over the place. All this is going to pilfer into our water body. The plateau, Verna Loutulim plateau, has been declared as a scheduled area, which is a major aquifer. We can't have it getting destroyed. It is the source of the only river in Goa that originates in Goa, which is River Sal. That is going to get polluted. Along with that, the springs, the wells in the vicinity are getting polluted. What do we do for the future? How do we protect our place? If we do not act now and we do not get support from the government, we are at a losing end. We do not require mega projects. Mega projects are only giving accommodation and apartments to people who are coming from outside Goa. Goans do not require mega projects to come up over here. We are happy with what we have and we should be content with what we have. Wet waste can be handled by each individual. Whether it's an apartment, whether it's a house, it can be handled. Dry waste is already being collected by the panchayats. We do not require this mega project.
Yeah.
That is what I have to say.
Yeah, thank you. But your grievances, what has been told to Mr. Levinson Martin, is been heard, or any solution?
Well, I put a suggestion to Mr. Martins that he should now put forward our resentments to the concerned minister and the concerned departments, and if possible, hold a joint session with all the concerned departments and let us see where we can go from there. Because it's enough of bulldozing being done on the Goans in Goa by Goans, who unfortunately are people who we ourselves have elected and voted for to sit in those chairs.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.